Amphan is approaching to Digha, and it is expected to reach West Bengal coast around 2 hours from now. And now the wind speed in Kolkata is about 45 to 50 kilometers per hour, and it is going towards southwest direction with heavy rain, and it's pre-cyclonic activities which we are seeing now. After landfall, I think situation will be more tough for us. Direction you can see the packet is flying towards southwest, and sometimes it is flying towards south.